Ever heard the saying, absence makes the heart grow fonder? There's truth to it, but it's not about playing games. It's about understanding the subtle dynamics of human connection. We'll dive into the psychology behind making someone miss you, not by being cold or distant, but by learning how and when to step back. It's a delicate balance, and many misunderstand it, equating space with indifference. That approach doesn't work. Instead, our aim is to dispel myths and guide you toward genuine, thoughtful actions that nurture curiosity and longing. When done right, these strategies aren't manipulative, but sincere, fostering a deeper connection. Soon enough, she'll find herself longing to see you again. Let's dive in. Understanding the power of space. One of the most common mistakes is being perpetually available. If you're always texting, calling, or reaching out, it sends a clear message. You may lack personal goals, direction, or purpose. Constant availability doesn't give her the chance to miss you. Think of it like eating the same meal every day. It's monotonous. Human nature craves what isn't easily accessible. By taking a step back and allowing space, you spark her curiosity. She'll begin to wonder about you, reminisce about the shared laughter, engaging conversations, and the good times. This isn't about ignoring her or playing hard to get. It's about demonstrating that you have a life beyond her. When she isn't the absolute center of your universe, she has the opportunity to miss your presence. Space creates a void, and that void will be filled with thoughts of you. Trust the process. Let her reach out to you occasionally. This isn't about being emotionally distant. It's about being worth the wait. Living a balanced life. Women are naturally drawn to men who radiate happiness and fulfillment. When you focus on personal growth and embrace life's experiences, you naturally become more attractive. While intentionally giving her space, make sure it's evident that you're savoring life. Invest time in hobbies, friendships, and passions. A balanced life not only makes you more intriguing, but also communicates that you don't rely solely on her for happiness. This independence is magnetic. When your presence feels like a bonus rather than a necessity, it becomes something to cherish. Valuing your time. Your time is precious, and how you handle it speaks volumes. Avoid the urge to drop everything the instant she messages you. Let her texts wait for a moment before responding. This isn't about playing games. It's about showing that your life is full and meaningful. When you're not instantly available, it subtly signals that you're not desperate for attention. Instead, you're someone who values your responsibilities and passions. This makes your attention more valuable, leaving her wanting to earn it. By demonstrating that you're not waiting around for her every word, you send a powerful message. You have a fulfilling life, and she's invited to be part of it, not the entirety of it. The power of healthy jealousy. Jealousy, when used sparingly and respectfully, can be a surprisingly effective tool in fostering longing. This isn't about manipulation or causing pain. It's about gently stirring feelings of desire and appreciation. For example, sharing moments from your social life, like photos or stories from a fun outing, can subtly remind her of what she's missing. Seeing you enjoy an exciting, vibrant life without her can ignite a healthy sense of longing. However, tread carefully. Always act with kindness, empathy, and respect. The goal isn't to push her away, but to remind her of how much she values being a part of your life. Avoiding attention traps. When she sends a casual message, a simple emoji, or a hey, resist the temptation to respond immediately. If you always reply right away, it signals that you're eagerly waiting for her attention. This can unintentionally lower your perceived value. The human brain tends to undervalue what comes too easily. By not jumping to respond to every message, you create an atmosphere of intrigue. She'll work harder to earn your attention, which makes your interactions more meaningful. This isn't about being unavailable. It's about showing that your attention is something to be valued, not taken for granted. And exuding high value. Being a high-value person isn't about material wealth or luxury. It's about self-worth, purpose, and respect. When you distance yourself from her, it's not about diminishing her importance, but highlighting your own. This subtle shift in dynamic piques her curiosity. High value is demonstrated through your principles, ambitions, kindness, and confidence. By showing that you're selective and self-assured, you enhance your appeal. It's not about making her feel insignificant. It's about emphasizing your own uniqueness, drawing her toward you naturally. Living as a complete individual. One of the most attractive qualities you can possess is a fulfilling, independent life. Even when you're in a relationship, it's important to show that you're a whole, complete person. By pursuing your passions, hobbies, and goals, you become more engaging and intriguing. A rich, well-rounded life is magnetic. It sends a clear message. You're content and thriving on your own. This makes her want to be part of your world. When she sees you living fully, she'll miss being a part of your adventures and long to share in your happiness. The allure of mystery. Mystery is one of the most powerful tools in creating intrigue. Don't reveal everything about yourself all at once. Instead, let her uncover your story gradually, piece by piece. When someone can't figure you out completely, it sparks curiosity and keeps you on their mind. This isn't about deception, but pacing. Share enough to pique her interest, but leave room for wonder. For example, instead of recounting every detail of your day, you might say, "I had such an unexpected adventure today," and leave it at that. This invites questions and creates a sense of excitement. By cultivating an air of mystery, you become someone she's eager to understand and be around. Leaving her wanting more. Every interaction should end on a high note, leaving her eagerly anticipating the next. Whether it's a conversation, a date, or a phone call, knowing when to wrap things up is key. Avoid overstaying or dragging out interactions until they lose their charm. Instead, say goodbye while it's still enjoyable. This creates a sense of anticipation. Think of it like a favorite TV show that ends each episode on a cliffhanger. You can't wait for the next one. When you leave her wanting more, your presence becomes something she looks forward to, ensuring you're never taken for granted. Embracing spontaneity. Predictability can lead to boredom. By embracing spontaneity, you inject excitement into your interactions. Plan unexpected adventures, try new activities, or surprise her with something different. This unpredictability keeps her guessing and makes your time together thrilling. When you combine moments of absence with bursts of spontaneity, you create a dynamic that's both intriguing and exciting. Charisma and confidence. Charisma and confidence are magnetic traits that naturally draw people toward you. These aren't about arrogance, but about being comfortable in your own skin. Confidence shows in how you carry yourself, approach challenges, and interact with others. Charisma, on the other hand, is about making others feel valued and uplifted. When people associate you with positive energy and experiences, they'll miss you when you're not around. Confidence paired with warmth leaves a lasting impact, making your presence something to crave. Pursuing ambition. An ambitious man with clear goals is inherently attractive. When you channel your energy into personal growth, career aspirations, or hobbies, it demonstrates direction and purpose. Ambition is inspiring, and it often makes her eager to join you on your journey. By focusing on your goals, you show that you're not solely fixated on her, which paradoxically makes her want to be closer to you. Genuine connection through balance. And that wraps up our exploration of the subtle art of making someone miss you. Remember, these strategies are about cultivating a rich, fulfilling life that naturally draws others toward you. They're not about manipulation, but about creating genuine connections rooted in authenticity. By embracing space, independence, and self-worth, you allow longing to grow in a healthy, meaningful way. If you found value in today's discussion, take a moment to reflect on how these insights can enhance your relationships. Share this message with someone who might benefit, and remember, true connection begins with self-love and balance. Until next time, stay grounded, stay thoughtful, and keep growing.